congratulations to the NU. Also for winning over the La Salle Lady Archers 8-68, the Lady Bulldogs are now at 4-1. We have both PA Olan, Marga Villanueva, and Angel Sonata. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Although the Sun led at the early goings, you were able to get your bearings in the second quarter. We have 24-8 runs. So ano mga sign mo sa pinakita ng team in the second quarter para ma-dominate yung Lady Archers along the way?
So we responded well during the second quarter. Medyo nakabawi kami doon sa medyo flat start namin. Again, for 2 games now, we're starting out slow. Pero good thing naman, second quarter na nakapag-adjust agad kami. And yun, okay naman.
Thank you to Mark. I have 50 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 4 assists and 1 assist. So yun nga, second quarter, yung nga, mga katakay ito. Ano yung mga kailangan gawin para hindi maulit yung, kasi sabi ko sa last 2 games, last start kayo.
Siguro po yung kailangan namin gawin is mas mag-compose po kami, magtulungan po kami sa isa't isa, like, hindi po namin iiwan yung isa't isa, dapat be there for each other po.
Thank you. Angel, you have 14 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, and plus 26. So, what can you say nga, last 2 games, medyo nahihirapan kayo mag-umpisa, pero at least kahit paano na itatawin niyo yung game. So, ano yung being on the of the leaders, anong kailangan para hindi maulit yung mga ganitong sitwasyon?
First of all, kailangan namin ayusin sa umpisa pa lang sa training kasi para pagdating sa game, natural siya. And yung sinabi ni Marga na kailangan namin mas maging composed and especially sa fourth quarter, dapat din na sila makadikit pa sa amin, dapat mabaon na namin. And yeah.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, what was said lang after the first quarter? Ano lang yung messaging sa team?
So, masyado kami nagmamadali nung una. So, again, we know Lasal is a pressing team din. So, we committed lots of turnovers ng first quarter alone. So, yun nga, hopefully, buti naman naka-adjust kami. Pero, yun nga, we emphasize na hindi pwedeng ganun kami mag-start. Because baka for future games, we might have a hard time getting our game going kapag gano'n. So, yun.
Angel, yun nga, final year. Siguro, paano lang yung nagiging mentoring process ngayon doon kay Samantha Medina na rookie pero nabibigyan ng opportunity ngayon ko?
Siguro ano lang, sipag and effort talaga. Dapat kasi palagi kami nila pinapaalala, mga coaches palagi talaga kami pinapaalala sa effort, especially sa offensive rebound and box out. Kailangan namin maging consistent, maging discipline. Kasi bare minimum yung effort dapat hindi ina-ask ng coach.
Coach, how important lang yung magiging role ni Tin tsaka ni Angel sa pag-mentor dun sa mga matitira?
Well, yun, alam naman natin na sila talaga yung leaders itong team na to. So, sabi ko nga sa rookies na the veterans know what it takes to be, to be on a winning team, diba? So, alam na napagdaanan nila yun. Alam nila yung what's required of them. So, siguro itong mga rookies na to, they have to understand more of that by seeing it sa mga veterans. And of course, hindi naman nawawala yung guidance nila, yung pagtuturo nila. Pero kailangan talaga makita ng mga rookies na the vets are doing it through actions, hindi lang basta nagtuturo. Kailangan they have to see it na ganito pala.
Marga, ikaw naman bilang isa sa mga up next na, paano lang yung feeling momentum naman ng team kaya po?
Sobrang saya kasi parang halos lahat naman ng seniors namin ginaguide kami. So, yun lang, feeling blessed na andyan sila palagi para sa amin. Tinuturuan nila kami kung ano dapat namin gawin, kung ano dapat yung i-adjust namin. Yun lang.
Coach, your next game is Ateneo. Ateneo Camp bago mag-close, although they well the first half, so yan, medyo yun nga, as I said earlier, last 2 games, just bago games start, so what can you say about Ateneo?
So, yeah, alam naman natin yung Ateneo is playing well now, shows in their standings, and alam natin yung strength nila, their twin towers. So, we have to address that. Probably, hopefully, we can come up with a good game plan against them. And yun, kailangan dun against Ateneo for our next game. Just like any other game, we prepare hard, prepare smart, pero against Ateneo, we cannot again, start slow, start flat, like we did today. So,
Congratulations, Coach.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.